Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Christine Wiseman, and today I'm going to make a delicious, refreshing spritz called Buns of Cinnamon. It's very easy and it only requires 3 very simple ingredients, and you just build straight into your wine glass or goblet, whatever tall glass that you have. So we're going to start off by taking a ½ ounce of a homemade cinnamon syrup, 1½ ounces of the Martini Rubino, add our ice right into the glass, and then we're going to top it off with a grapefruit soda. And we'll just give this a little stir to incorporate all of the ingredients together. And then we're just going to give it a nice little piece of a grapefruit in there. And there you have it. And this is called Buns of Cinnamon, and I hope that you enjoy.